Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off safe search mode on your Google browser if it is locked. So guys, as you can see this right now, safe search mode is on my browser, and if you want to turn it off, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, it is locked and it cannot be unlocked or it cannot be turned off from here. So guys, right now I will show you how can you turn it off. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on screen time, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then you have to tap on app store, media, web and games. So guys, here you can see this, simply tap on this and now scroll it below and tap on web content, and from here you have to simply tap on unrestricted from here to turn off safe search mode. So guys, simply tap on unrestricted and now go back and now again open your browser, and now you will see the safe search mode will be turned off. So guys, you have to simply do this, and after this the safe search mode will be turned off on your iPhone in your Google browser. So guys, this is the way to turn off safe search mode on your browser if it is locked. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.